Alright, I'm here to show you how to replace your indicator bulbs for Suzuki GZ250. First off, tools you'll need are pretty simple. Flathead screwdriver and a tube. Needs to be a thin wall tube, approximately 3/8 inch or 5/16 inch inner diameter. And I'll tell you why you'll need that in a little bit. The bulb that you're going to end up replacing is this bulb right here. This is what's inside your dash lights, at least the ones for your turn signal. So it's pretty straightforward. It might seem troublesome, but on the bottom side of this there's a kind of long rubber sleeve, and since I'm doing this with one hand, just going to show you that all you have to do is use your flat blade screwdriver, kind of pop that out carefully. I think it's all made of plastic, so just be tender with your screwdriver and how you remove it. And then you want to pull this out from the bottom. So again, the bulb is going to be kind of deep in there, and you could try to use pliers, but I found it didn't really work. And sorry about the focus not going in there. So what you want to do is take the tube, and again, I'm just working with one hand, and basically, you're gonna push the tubing over the bulb, and with the right size tubing, push it in enough, and you can just pop it right out, and your bulb will end up essentially being stuck inside the tube, kind of like that. So, easy enough to replace the new one. You'll see inside, it's hard to see from here without good lighting, but you'll see where how the tabs face, and push the new tube in. Take your key, make sure the bike's in neutral, and then check, see if your light works. If it does, then push this back up into the slot. Again, with two hands it'll go a lot faster. Once it's in there, push it all the way up and through so that you can easily get the cap back on there, and then set it back in there. And there you go. Your dash lights will be replaced, and that's either for your neutral light or turn signals. Either way works the same. Thanks, good luck.